Sure, here's a YouTube script for your channel FK iPhone covering the 2025 Samsung Galaxy Tab S6, kept under 500 words, Welcome to FK iPhone, the place where we break down the latest in tech with no sugarcoating. Today we're checking out the 2025 Samsung Galaxy Tab S6, the latest budget-friendly tablet that punches above its weight class. Let us talk about the features first. Samsung has packed some impressive upgrades in this year's model while keeping the price within reach. The Galaxy Tab S6 runs on the updated Exynos mid-range chip, which is efficient and snappy for everyday tasks like streaming, browsing, and multitasking. It's not a powerhouse like the Ultra series, but it easily handles casual gaming and productivity apps. The tablet comes with the latest version of Android with Samsung S1 UI skin on top, which now supports more PC-like multitasking features. Split screen is smoother, app continuity is better, and overall, it feels more refined than ever. Battery life is another win. You can expect a full day of usage, even with video streaming and light gaming. Samsung has also improved charging speed, so topping it up is quicker than previous models. It still includes quad speakers tuned by AKG, and they sound loud and clear for a tablet at this level. Plus, there's support for Dolby Atmos, which makes media consumption more immersive. On the outside, the Tab S6 stays true to Samsung's sleek and minimal design language. It's thin, lightweight, and comes with a smooth metal finish that feels premium in hand. Bezels are slightly slimmer than before, giving it a more modern look without compromising grip or usability. The display is a vibrant AMOLED panel with great color reproduction and deep contrast, perfect for watching content, editing photos, or reading. It's not quite flagship level, but it still looks fantastic, especially in this price range. There's a front camera for video calls and a rear camera that's decent for documents and quick snaps, though let's be real, you're not buying this for photography. The S Pen is included and attaches magnetically, giving you extra functionality like note-taking, drawing, or just navigating without touching the screen. So what's the final word on the 2025 Galaxy Tab S6? It's a strong option for students, casual users, or anyone looking for a solid entertainment tablet without dropping a ton of cash. It's not trying to replace your laptop or compete with the Tab S9 Ultra, but for everyday use, it's more than capable. Samsung nailed the balance between performance, design, and price with this one. That's it for today's review. If you like honest takes without the fluff, hit that subscribe button for more. This is FK iPhone, and we'll see you in the next one. Want a version with visuals or voiceover suggestions too?